I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone's SIM capability and gathering what carriers require. Insert the physical nano SIM now if you plan to use one. Otherwise, keep the QR/SMDP plus info ready to scan. Once done, open Settings and go to Connections, then SIM Card Manager to view current slots. This gets you to the right screen quickly. Make sure your network is reachable while activating an eSIM. Because the phone, you now add the second line. Choose Add Mobile Plan and scan the carrier QR or manually type SMDP plus details. After the profile downloads, tap Activate. This can take a minute as the phone registers with the carrier. Once both lines appear, assign which line handles mobile data and which handles calls or SMS. Make sure to label each line clearly so you won't confuse numbers. This prevents accidental charges and keeps your workflows predictable. You finish by testing. Call each number, send an SMS, and browse on the selected data line to confirm everything works. If one service fails, try toggling airplane mode, restarting the phone, or reassigning the default data SIM. Sometimes registration needs a fresh attempt. If problems persist, note the phone IMEI and carrier activation responses, then contact the carrier. They can push a profile or troubleshoot network provisioning. This single troubleshooting tip often resolves stubborn activation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.